Hello guys, welcome to Sahel Networks again. Today we're going to configure the port channel. You can see on the left between switch A and the multi-layer switch, we have two connection, two inter-switch link, which is already configured as port channel. I did it for the French channel, which is Sahel Networks. The English channel is Sahel Networks-english. If you want to see how I did configure this part, you can check my French channel. Okay, so for this part, we're going to configure the the port channel. And what is port channel? I just type here on Google Cisco port channel configuration best practice, and you got this the first link. I did click on the first link, which led me to this page. Just for the theory, the port channel is the virtual interface that you create in order to bound more physical interfaces. Normally, we can bound up to 8. In the new hardware model, it may be even more. But in the past, it was up to 8 ports in a port channel. But there is also some criteria that those ports should meet. You cannot bind in the same port channel physical interfaces with different type of speed. It should be from the same speed, 100 megabit with 100 megabit, 1 gig with 1 gig, and so on. Okay, so and you configure the port channel on both ends. Part of the port cannot go from switch A to switch C and the other part to the switch B. No, the whole physical interfaces should go from one switch to the other switch, to the same switch. Okay, if one side is configured as port channel, the other side not configured, the port will turn suspended. All right, the number of the port channel is only local significant. Mean you can have number 1 to the left, number 1 to the left also. You can have number 1 and number 2 as here. Okay, so let's go to in our scenario. You can read that a little bit more. If you have question, feel free to ask. The left side, as I say, is already configured. As you can see here, let's go to the multi-layer switch. You can see the left part do show is a channel summary. Show is a channel summary. We have one port channel with which number? Number 5. Now we want to configure from the multi-layer switch to the switch B. Can we take the number 5 again? Of course not. We have to take a different number. Okay? You cannot use the same number twice. All right? As I explained in the theory. So the port 23 and 24 are already configured and are working. Now we go to those interfaces, interface range fast Ethernet 0, 23 to 24, which say channel group 1 mode active. I will take the 1. I can take the 3. You can say channel group 3 mode active. All right. The port will turn suspended, as I show you in the theory. Do show is a channel summary on the picture. It will be suspended. Why? You see know why? Because only one side is configured. The other side is not. Okay. Let's go to the other side and configure the port channel again there. Let's put both ends on the display that you can see. So we go to the other side and configure the port channel. It is port 23 and 24. Enable show is a channel summary. You can see that we don't have any port channel here configured so far. The interface configured though. The ping is successful, but actually it shouldn't be any more be successful because the port from the core switch is suspended. Before the port channel configuration, everything was fine. Comp int range fast Ethernet 0, 23 to 24. Channel group mode active. Channel group, the port channel number mode. Which one we took on the left side? Let's say the tree also mode active. Channel group 3 mode active. Okay, both ports are configured. What do you think now? See, you can see here that the port are do show is a channel summary. The port are in the port channel successful, but the ping will not work. Why? Look at the difference. Show run interface FR023. Do show run interface FR023. Do show run. Look at the port channel, the port 23. Strong encapsulation.ansq. The port channel 3. The port is there, but I haven't configured the port channel as strong. Do show run. I was being expecting. It somehow took the configuration directly. Normally, the port channel should still be blank. Then I need to configure this command afterward. Maybe there's been an upgrade here that they recognize that the port channel is that the physical port are already configured as strong and took it. Normally, should not this additional configuration should not have been present on the port channel itself, but it is. Okay, let's take this as note. Then now the ping should be successful because the port channel has been configured properly. You see there? Successful. Okay. If we go, let me show you quick why I was saying it will not be successful. Because if we go here to the interface PO3, we make no switch port mode strong. Do show run. Look, the port channel, the switch port is not a strong anymore. And on the interface, we have removed everything. If you do that, you go to the same ping, it will not work. Okay? So this is where some juniors sometimes have an issue troubleshooting. For the strong port, the port channel should also be as strong. We go back. We are still in the port channel here. Let me do it for you to have the whole interface. We're on the interface PO3. We say switch port mode strong. Look, the command on the interface port channel will be directly configured also on the physical interface. When I configure the port channel, any command as set on the port channel itself virtual interface will directly be applied to the physical interface as long as this command exists there. Channel group X mode, any mode you have taken. Okay, do show run. You will see that the command or switch port mode strong is on the interface as well. You can see here, and the ping is successful. Okay, the ping should be successful as soon as spanning tree has done his job. Let's wait a while. Spanning tree is still operating. You can see there. Okay. So any question, ask the question, and I can make other simulation and go much more deeper in the explanation and so on. I hope you appreciate. Keep tuned and subscribe and share and like and comment. Bye-bye.